Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today from standard 8 English medium, chapter number 18, grammar. What is the chapter name? Verbs, past tense. You already learned about this tense in 7th standard. So I gave you little bit information about this tense. So what is the past tense? See, the past tense expresses an action or event that has already taken place or a state of being that existed before the time of speaking. Okay? So see, here given the arrow. Here yesterday means the past and today, your time of speaking today. But talk about what? Talk about the past event. So this is the past tense. Example, we reached home pretty late last night. Talk today, but talk about which time? Last night. We reached home pretty late. I wrote a letter to a friend. The time of speaking this sentence has been spoken. But talk about what? I wrote a letter to a friend. Not today, but yesterday already had completed to write the letter. So this is the given the information in the past. So see that here past tense, simple past tense, past continuous or progressive tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous or progressive tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. But today I am going to talk about simple past tense. So see, the sentences simple past tense and past continuous. What is the difference between these two? In the simple past tense we write the subject plus past form of the verb. Past form of the verb. Then write object or other word. This is the formation of simple past tense. Just as given, see, I spoke to my brother yesterday. Yesterday shows as the past event. And spoke is the word. Main word is speak and past form of this word spoke. And what is the difference between these two? This is the formation of the simple past tense, and the continuous past continuous structure is subject plus to be form. Which to be form? Past, was and were is used. Then verb with ing. What verb with ing? See, look at this sentence number 2. I is the subject, was to be form. Was is to be form. Was or were is. Then speaking, main verb is speak, and with that ing is used. Then the other word or object or other word is used. That is the structure of past continuous tense. Then the present perfect, here I have spoken, have and past participle. Present perfect tense, then have been and verb with ing. Then the word for or since we can use it. Then the past perfect, had and past participle. And past perfect continuous, had been and main verb with ing. So see the simple past tense. How we use simple past tense to refer to a complete and definite actions, event or state of being in the past. Kavya grew up in the village. Then to refer to a habitual action in the past or past thought. Kavya thought that elephants play with water in the sky when it rained. Okay, when it rained, talk about today, but he thought, action thought, habitual action. And to refer an action or event that occurred over a period of a time in the past. Shakil studied mathematics for the last 15 years. Last 15 years. Today talk about the last 15 years. Means today he speak. But talk about what? 15 years, the last 15 years, he studied about what? Mathematics. To narrate a story, we use what? Once upon a time, one day. We use that type of word when we narrate a story. We use this tense. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Cinderella. To refer to historical event, we use this tense. Most of South Asia was under foreign rule in the 19th century. Means talk about our history or historical events. That time we use this tense. Then see the formation of the simple past tense. Here, in affirmative sentence, we use this: I, we, you, he, she, it, they, or noun. Singular or plural noun. What? We use the main verb. Okay, subject and main verb. In negative sentence, we use subject with did not or didn't. But when we use negative in simple past or interrogative, we use the main verb. What? We use the main verb. We do not write the past form of the verbs. We write only main verb. So, in negative and interrogative, we write main verb. Okay? In WH word also we write the main verb. So, this is how we use in simple past tense. Okay? Let's see the blanks. How we use the simple past tense forms of verbs. Whichever verb is given. If the sentence is affirmative, then we write the past form of the verbs. But if the sentence is negative or interrogative, we write the main verb. Whichever is given in the bracket, we write the same word. Let's start this exercise. What is the exercise instruction? Complete the following sentences with the simple past form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay? This is the instruction. So, the first blank. Jignesh blank his flight only by a few minutes. Jignesh blank his flight only by a few minutes, and the word is given miss. Which word is given? Miss. So what we write? The past form of this word. So what is the past form of this word? MISS is given. Only add ed. Missed. Okay, Jignesh missed his flight only by a few minutes. Then the second, he blank very frustrated. Here given the feel. So the past form of feel is felt. FELT. He felt very frustrated. Now the third one. The day blank very strangely. The word start. Start is the word. The past form of the word start is started. Then the next. It blank here given be. Be means here we use what? Was or were. Be form, past form of be is was and were. For singular we use was, and for plural we use were. You were, they were, we were, like that. Okay, so here use it. So which to be form here use? It was. It was. It was one of those days when when this type of word is used, everything, everyone, someone, then we write what? Past form of verb, go. What is the past form of go? Went. Went is the past form of go. Went. Everything went wrong. Now comes to number 5th, two blanks. When he blank start. See, the start is word, already we did it. Started is the past form. When he started from home, he blank forget his purse. Forget. So what? The forget of past form, forgot. Okay? Forgot his purse. Number 6. From the bus stop, he blank back home to pick it up. Go. Second time go word is used. So what is the past form of go? Went. What? Went. Now number 7. At the bus stop, he nearly blank while looking at his mobile phone. Here given the word fall. Which word? Fall. So what is the past form of fell? Fall is fell. Number 8. In number 8, he blank to take a taxi and want word is used. So what is the past form of the want? Wanted. Want and write only ed. Then number 9. But no taxi available. Here given the B form in number 9. So what is the answer? No taxi. Taxi is the singular. So here the word is used was, but no taxi was available. Now comes to number 10. There are two blanks. The bus dash and he dash the airport too late. The word is given delay. What? The word is given delay. What will be the past form of the delay? Only write ed. And the word formed delayed of the past. And the word reach. Okay? But here given the passive structure. The bus delay, we cannot say that. Delay we word use as the past form. Delayed. But this is the passive structure. These two. The bus was delayed. The bus was delayed. And he blank the airport too late. Then in the second blank we write reached. What? Reached. The bus was delayed and he reached the airport too late. This is how we completed the blanks. I hope you understand about the simple past tense forms of the verbs and these blanks also, including these structures. Thank you.